What's going on, investors? We've got an early video today. I wanted to hop on here. I am finished with the stock market for today. It's been a good day for us. Still holding some of the other stocks that we've talked about, but I've got new stocks for you guys, and I wanted to get on here yesterday, but most of these were way up, and today some of them are coming down. So I wanted to hop on here and talk about the meme stocks, the meme rally. So not financial advice, you guys. Same thing as always. Please do your own due diligence. Go research these stocks for yourself. I'm sure you've heard about every single one of them. So again, not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. But let's get into it, y'all. I've got three stocks. You probably heard about them. They're going crazy since yesterday. Three stocks for your radar, because we have 2 more days in this week. These things could go back up. All right, let's get into it. First one is GoPro. All right, GPRO. GoPro, GPRO is the ticker symbol, and this thing was up 29%, 20% last I looked, and I think it was coming back down to the 160, around there, $1.60. So this thing is coming back down. Yesterday it was doing crazy numbers. All right, spiking, going up and away, because it had a high of $2.64. All right, like I said, it's around $1.60. I'm sure by the time you watch this, it's probably going to be red. Who knows? Anything could happen, y'all. That's why I make these videos. But it did have a high this week of 264, and it was up 124% for the week. All right, this is coming from 77 cents, so be cautious out there, y'all. Stocks do not go up forever. All right, they do recover, they do come back down. We know this. So 77 cents to $2.64, 188 million shares traded today. So a lot of volume in this thing. Be careful with GoPro. If this thing comes down even more, could be a great opportunity for y'all. Tomorrow this could go up. Friday it could go up, but it could also come down. Be on the lookout for GoPro if you're not already. I was unaware that these stocks were going this crazy because I've been watching some other ones, but GoPro, watch it, put it on your watch list, y'all. It's coming back down. Another one to keep out on the lookout for is Open, OPEN, ticker symbol OPEN. This thing was down today. It was up yesterday. It was down 24% last I looked, around $2.19. So we did get a few shares of it. I've made some money on the stock already, so I'm not worried about it. I think that it might go back up. Anything is possible. It had a high of $2.99, and it was up $1.67. From $1.67 this week, or $1.62, I'm sorry, $1.62 to $4.71, y'all. So this thing has zoomed, and it's coming back down. Last I looked, it was around 219, 218. 338 million shares traded today alone. So a lot of volume, ton of volatility in this thing. Could be going back up tomorrow or Friday. It could be coming back down. So an opportunity there as well, I believe. GoPro and Open. The third stock that I have for y'all, I'm sure you heard about this one too, is Kohl's. All right, these are the meme rallies, these are the meme plays. Retail investors are getting it, hopping in these things. And Kohl's, KSS is the ticker symbol for that. KSS, it's down today 16%. Around $12 from a high of almost $15. This stock has come down. It's up 53% for the week, from $9.50 to almost $15. So be on the lookout for this thing. It could be coming back down to that $9 today, tomorrow, who knows. But 28 million shares on this one. All right, that's why it's number 3. This one's a little iffy. Who knows what's going to happen with it. We made a little bit of money pre-market with this one, so Again, y'all, not a financial advisor, but these three stocks right here, we've made money on them already. Be on the lookout, all right, because these things could spike again. The meme rally looks like it's on again. I was looking at GME, I was looking at AMC. You know, a lot of these are recovering right now. They're coming back down after the crazy day that they had yesterday. So be on the lookout. GoPro, Open, KSS. Let me know what you guys are invested in, what you like, what you don't like. All right, if you don't like these, like, comment, subscribe. It really helps the algorithm, you guys. A lot of people that watch the videos do not interact, comment, or like the video or anything, and it really does help. So appreciate y'all. Hope y'all are making some money out there. We'll see y'all in the next video.